Okay, cześć, dzień dobry from here in GDANSK, north of Poland. I realize I haven't done like a welcome to GDANSK, even though I've been here for like 6 days almost with the rain. It's been raining so much. So I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a city tour today. Well, not even a city tour, I'm gonna do a walkthrough. I'm gonna try and do this thing in one take. This might be the most simplest unedited video I've ever done, but I'm gonna start right here where Old Town kind of starts and just walk all the way through Old Town and maybe just all the way to Old Town to the river where you guys can see. And that might be today's video, giving you guys a good reason to come here to GDANSK. Hi. So you kind of start the Old Town like right here. And like I said, I'm gonna try to do the whole entire thing like in kind of one take. Yeah, people will kind of always, kind of be bother you to get you to go to the restaurants or other not so great things. But you gotta take this walk. It's a beautiful walk. You got both sides here. And just to give you guys a heads up, my probably favorite place that I go to is right here, the Bread and Wine. Not for the bread and wine, but they have really good sandwiches and the people are really nice and the Wi-Fi is super, super fast there. And you can see like walking down the street, maybe I'd say 70% of the people here are not Polish. Everyone's like a tourist. And by the way, when I'm recording this video, it's July 10th, I believe. And it's freezing cold, that's why everyone has jackets on. It's not winter, it's summer here in the north of Poland. And normally when I'm here in Poland, I'm walking down these streets like this, the main streets, I usually always stop for like an ice cream cone, but because it's so cold, I'm gonna skip out on that plan. But you guys can see that's so beautiful, right? I can see it's just lined with activity, tourists, people. But another thing you guys have to see, I don't know if I'll get a chance to go there, but parallel to the street, similar kind of vibe, but more quiet on the street just to this side. You literally walk down that street and you turn right, and it's quiet and restaurants, cafes, just like this street, but more calm. And of course, you guys know I don't really know the history of so many places that well, not yet. Oh, and there's bands playing all the time. There's at least 3 or 4 bands playing at any given time on the street. Normally here and all the way down there, at the end. And this is the famous fountain that every single person takes pictures at. But I'm not sure the history of it. I know. I should know the history before I come to places, but for me, it's always about the people. That's the easy answer to it. But yeah, this is where everyone always stops to. And if I can recommend one place to you guys when you guys are coming here, one place that I really like to go is right here. I want to say I was there every day working. You can work inside, and there's a bar when you go inside as well where you can get coffee, drinks, anything. Pool table, they play the games there as well. And here goes that band I was telling you about. Or it's not a band. So you can actually see like the walk down the street is like pretty beautiful. It gives you a good summary of Gdansk. If you had to come here and you had a little bit of time, even if you're passing through, you're going to Sopot or Gdynia, stop through here just for a little bit. Just take a little walk down the street. And you see they're setting up a little bit more music here. But on the weekends, there's like so much going on under this tunnel thing. It's incredible. And this might be the end of kind of the tour, which is kind of right here. Like, and please do not be confused. The sun has not been out like this at all the last week. It's been raining and really cold. But you can see how beautiful it is though when the sun is out. You have a little bit more stuff down there, not a whole lot, but this view right here makes it totally worth it. Then the view on the other side, which a lot of people don't look at, but it's really nice, is over here. Hey, like in Wrocław. And you can actually rent these boats. I see a lot of people on them. I think you rent them over there. But it's really beautiful, and when you go down here to this side and you go to that side, it's a lot less people over there. All the people are on that main street on this side, down that walkway, because normally there's a ship over there, and a lot of people are down there. But when you come here, take a walk down the street, you have to come to Gdansk. I haven't been really outside of the center. Like I say, it's been really rainy and cold the last couple of days. But here in Gdansk, it's really nice. It's so beautiful. Like seriously, it's just when it was cold and rainy, it really kills the vibe big time. It's similar to not comparing to any place, but like a Paris, how it's so beautiful. But if you're in Paris on a rainy day, you're just like walking around, it's cold. That's how it's been here. So, but it's definitely a beautiful place. You guys need to come check out Gdansk. All the people who said, Luke, you need to visit Gdansk. I've been to Gdansk many times, but it was all before I was vlogging. But yeah, this is Gdansk. You have also a mall that's called the Forum. If you guys are here, check it out. It's huge. It's very beautiful. It might have been in the previous vlogs a little bit as well, but yeah, that's kind of a walkthrough. I kind of did this entire video like in one take, kind of like a welcome to Gdansk. Definitely come here and check it out. You can hear the music. Beautiful. Come to Gdansk, north of Poland. If you can come when it's not raining, that would be a little bit better. But you know, I'm happy to be here. Hopefully that kind of convinces you guys to come here as well. And on that note, I am off to, well, I'm actually off on another adventure today, but I wanted to shoot this video real quick because I hadn't shot just entire Gdansk walking through this, which I wanted to do. But on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching. Everyone, your comments, your support, your recommendations, the actual adventure that I'm going on today, or maybe I posted this video after I've already went there. This is where I went. And I got that idea from one of you guys in the comments. 2 people in the comments actually told me that, so thank you guys so much for that. And I'll speak to all of you guys later. I'm off for the adventure. Everyone have a great day, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.